I invested $1,000 in AI-driven crypto strategies and turned that into $10,000 in just 2 months. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to leverage AI tools to supercharge your crypto investments. But first, let's dive into what we're covering today. We'll explore the latest AI tools that analyze cryptocurrency trends, showcase successful case studies from real investors, and provide you with a step-by-step guide to getting started with AI in your crypto investments. We'll also discuss the potential risks and best practices for using AI in these volatile markets, and what recent thefts on crypto exchanges mean for your AI strategies. Let's kick things off with an overview of some of the latest AI tools that are shaking up the crypto market. One standout is CryptoHopper, an AI-driven trading bot that analyzes market trends using advanced algorithms. It claims to have an accuracy rate of over 80%. By integrating it with your exchange accounts, you can automate trades based on real-time data. Imagine sitting back while an AI does the heavy lifting, potentially increasing your profits significantly. With its user-friendly interface, even beginners can set it up in minutes. Start by creating an account and linking your preferred exchanges. You can customize your trading strategies or choose from predefined ones. One standout is CryptoHopper Potential. Now, let's look at a compelling case study. Meet Sarah, who invested $2,000 using an AI tool called Coin Predictors. Within 3 months, she saw her investment skyrocket to $15,000. Coin Predictor uses machine learning algorithms to predict price movements based on historical data and real-time news sentiment. Sarah utilized its analysis to buy low and sell high at the right moments. This success illustrates the power of AI in identifying profitable opportunities you might miss on your own. If you want to replicate her success, how can you get started with AI in crypto investing? First, choose an AI tool like TradeSanta or Shrimpy. Once you've selected a platform, sign up and complete your profile. Next, link your crypto exchange accounts. Set your investment goals and risk tolerance, which the AI will use to tailor its strategies to your preferences. While AI can be an incredible asset, it's essential to understand the risks involved. Crypto markets are notoriously volatile, and no AI tool can guarantee profits. Set a budget for your investments and avoid putting in more than you can afford to lose. Additionally, diversify your portfolio across different assets to mitigate risk. Regularly review your AI tool's performance and be willing to adjust your strategies as needed. Remember, the goal is to use AI tools' performance and be willing to adjust your strategies as needed. Remember, the goal is to use AI as a supplement, not a corner in more than you can afford to lose. You may have heard about recent thefts on major crypto exchanges, which raise concerns about security. What does this mean for AI strategies? Another crucial aspect of successful investing is being part of a community. Join forums and groups focused on AI and crypto, such as those on Reddit or Discord. Engaging with other investors can provide valuable insights and strategies. Many AI tools also offer customer support and educational resources to help you navigate the complexities of the crypto market. Don't hesitate to ask questions and share your experiences. Collaboration can lead to better investment decisions. The future of AI in cryptocurrency investing looks promising. As technology evolves, we can expect even more sophisticated algorithms that can analyze vast amounts of data at lightning speed. Innovations like AI-driven predictive analytics and personalized investment strategies will become more accessible. Staying ahead of this trend will be key to maximizing your returns. Make sure to keep an eye on upcoming tools and technologies that leverage AI for better investment outcomes. To sum it up, leveraging AI tools can potentially transform your crypto investing strategy. We've covered some of the most effective AI tools, shared success stories, and provided actionable steps to get started. Remember to approach with caution, stay informed about security, and engage with the community.